Discover luxurious living at the heart of Nottingham. 10 Traffic Street is a brand new accommodation that gives you an exquisite student living experience. The building offers a wide range of cluster apartments and spacious studios tailored to your comfort. Every bedroom comes with a closeted bed, private bathroom, a quaint study area, and fully equipped shared kitchens. For those who like to return to a quiet life at the end of the day, quaint studio apartments await with an embracing recess with additional Easter eggs like a private kitchen and more space to spread one's limbs. Catch your favorite movie with your pals at the in-house cinema, or indulge in motivating study sessions in large study arenas. For the essential boost of caffeine to battle those pesky deadlines, the on-site coffee shop comes to save the day. Provided by Nottingham's local business, this is a favorite spot among students to mingle over a hot cup and their inside university jokes. For that added lease of life, breathe free on the private rooftop terrace and brew in the warmth of 2 ornate courtyards decorated to soothe the soul. 10 Traffic Street is only a short drive away from Nottingham Trent University and the University of Nottingham, making a youthful ambience fill the air with joy. A story worth telling is sweetened more by experience. Explore more at amberstudent.com and book your own tale to tell.